Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Today we are going to learn how to create Gradle Java project using Intellij IDEA. And this is the dev series, and I am with you, your host HMTMCSE. Let's begin. For how to create a Java project, we are going to follow this step-by-step instruction. I will put this link to a description panel so that you can follow these steps in your own. Okay. I am going this step by step. Okay, for that, here this is my Intellij IDE. I am going to click on File, New, then Project. This is the project section. From right panel you have to select the Gradle, and right panel you will select lots of things. For now we are selecting Java. Here Java click, and the SDK is Java 11. That means I am using the Java 11 SDK. Okay, going to press next. This is the location where I want to store this file, and I am just giving a folder name that's called, let me click on here, new folder, tutorial Gradle, then going to press OK. Then I have to select this Gradle project. Okay, in this section the artifact coordinates, here and the group ID, I am adding my group ID com.hmtmcsse, and my artifact ID will be Gradle tutorial. Okay, tutorial Gradle, that's fine. Here the version is 1.0. Snapshot used for when the application is not released or under construction. I am going to click on finish. It asking where I want to open this window. For now I am using this window, that means it replaced the thing. Here it's doing something, that means it's downloading the dependencies, so it take some time for download this project, and after it complete its process, you will get some file. Here you are seeing the Gradle file is here, and the src and other file is coming one after another. Okay, this is the build.gradle. This file is heart of Gradle project. Here we are seeing that this is the plugins Java, that means it's applying Java configuration here. This is basic testing test compile dependency. Here the dependency repositories where from download the files. And the other thing is that Gradle settings store Gradle. This is the settings store Gradle. Here we will add some project. We will see how useful the setting store Gradle in our next tutorial. And here we can add lots of dependencies here, implements and other keywords using, and this way we can easily create the Gradle project. That's the Gradle project creation. Now I'm going to show the Hello World Java project. For that I am clicking on Java, right clicking here, then going to create package called com.hmtmcsse, then pressing enter. Okay, now I am going to add a class, Java class. Okay, test class, or I'm used to use Bismillah class. Okay, this is the Bismillah class, very straightforward. Now I'm going to add that main method. I can write, but I am using the shortcut public static void main, then I'm pressing tab from my keyboard. Okay, this is the main method here. Now going to add the system.out, that means print something, system.out.println. okay, here writing Bismillah project. Okay, how we will run that project? Here in right panel you are seeing that the run icon, clicking on here, then going to run. Let's see what happened. it showing one error. That means it's saying that the linked error occurring loading the HMTMCSE file. Let's see what happened. I'm just seeing the Java version. Okay, it's saying okay, applying, okay. Then let's try again. It happening the same problem, not 0. It showing not 0. Probably I have to enable this configuration. Okay, let's try again. The same thing it's happening. The linkage problem happen if your selected SDK and your environment SDK is not same. That's why it happening. Let's fix it. Clicking on setting, then going to Gradle, from searching from here Gradle. This is the Gradle. Here you are seeing here selected Java 13, but we selected Java 11 for its SDK. Now just change the Java version to 11. Clicking on OK. Let's run the project. Here is it. Now clicking on here, that it successfully run. Here you are seeing that this is the Bismillah project run. This way you can easily create a Gradle project, and you can create a Java Hello World project from scratch. Thank you guys. Thanks for stay with me for this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you think that this is useful for you.